Hi friends, my name is Sardor. I want to share with you our amazing weekend day we spent in the mountains. I rented a BYD Song car from Europcar Uzbekistan and went to the mountains with the kids to a Mirsoy resort. Unfortunately, my wife was away and couldn't join us, but the kids and I decided not to postpone our trip and head to the mountains with the three of us. A promise to the kids had been made and needed to be kept. All along the way, we enjoyed the beauty of nature, started to take pictures, sang songs, chatted, told riddles and anecdotes. When we finally arrived at a Mirsoy resort, our real adventure began. We went snowboarding, skiing, sledding, ropes course, in short, everything we could think of. The kids were thrilled, and our vacation was a success. I want to express my gratitude to Europcar Uzbekistan for such an opportunity. It was thanks to their service that we could comfortably get to a Mirsoy resort and spend an unforgettable weekend. So, if you have an opportunity to go to the mountains for a weekend, don't miss it. And if you want your journey to start right at your door, Europcar Uzbekistan is your perfect choice.